National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a flash flood warning for central Mobile County in southwestern Alabama until 6:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:14 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Midtown Mobile, Downtown Mobile, Richard, I-10 and I-65, Tucson, Mertz, Navco, Neshota, Forest Hill, West Hill, Wheelerville, Plateau and Dawes. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Mobile, Alabama,